Hello, welcome to maths class. Today let us have a problem based on circles. Figure based problem, very interesting question. This is the given figure. In this figure ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQ is a tangent to this circle at point A. And the ratio between angle CAQ and CAB is given as 1:2. AB bisects angle CAQ and AD bisects angle CAB. If it is so, we have to find the angles of the quadrilateral ABCD. After that, we have to prove that BD is the diameter of the circle. Okay, let us work out for the solution. First, what is given? Ratio between angle CAQ angle CAB is 1:2. CAQ. Let us take angle CAQ. Let angle CAQ is x and then angle CAP will be 2x. We know that sum of these two is 180 degree. Angle CAQ plus angle CAP, that is x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree because these two angles form a linear pair. 3x is 180 degree, that implies x is equal to 180 degree by 3, that gives you 60 degree. So what we got? Angle CAQX, that is 60 degree, and angle CAP is 2x, that is 2 into 60 degree, that is 120 degree. So now we got angle CAQ as 60 degree, angle CAP complete angle 120 degree. But it is given that AB bisects angle CAQ. AB bisects angle CAQ. That means angle CAB, this is equal to angle BAQ. Angle BAQ, that is 60 degree by 2, that gives you 30 degree. That means this is 30, this is 30. Same way, AD bisects angle CAP. Angle CAP. That means angle CAD is equal to angle DAP. That is CAP is 120 degree. 120 degree by 2, that gives you 60 degree. That is this angle is equal to this angle. So these two are equal 30 degree each. These two are equal and they are 60 degree each. Now we have to find angle A, complete angle BCD. Now we see children, this one 30, this part is 60. Angle DAB is one angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. So angle DAB will be angle DAC plus angle CAB or BAC. So this is 30 plus this is 60. We'll be able to get angle DAB. If you get one angle of the cyclic quadrilateral, 180 minus that gives you its opposite angle. So with this we are able to get A and C. After that we'll work out for BA and D. Let me clear the board top portion. So angle DAB is equal to angle DAC or CAD, angle CAD plus angle BAC or CAB, angle CAB. Angle CAD we got 60 degree and angle CAB we got 30 degree, that is 90 degree. So we got this angle as 90 degree. If angle DAB is 90 degree, angle DCB is opposite of this angle, opposite of the cyclic quadrilateral. Angle DCB is 180 minus angle DAB because they are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So we got two angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Now let us work out for angle B and angle D. Now we see, if this is 60 degree, angle DAC and angle DBC are the angles in the same segment. So if this is 60, this is also 60 degree. Yes or no? So angle DAC is 60 degree. So angle DBC is also 60 degree. That is one way. Other way, we can see angle CAP is the angle between the tangent and the chord, and angle this here. Angle ABC is the angle in the opposite segment. That way also we can find angle CAP already got 120 degree. Angle CAP is equal to angle ABC, that is 120 degree, because angle between the tangent and the chord, angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to angle in opposite segment. Opposite segment. So with this, we are able to get angle ABC also. If angle ABC is 120 degree, we can find angle ADC, because this is opposite of angle ABC of the cyclic quadrilateral. So 180 degree minus 120 degree, that gives you 60 degree. So now we got all the angles of angle DAB one angle, angle DCB, 180 minus DAB I wrote and did not do. 180 degree minus 90 degree, that gives you 90 degree. So we got angle DCB, then we got angle ABC and ADC. So all the angles, 4 angles of the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD we got now. Now we have to show that BD is the diameter of the circle. Already we know angle BAD is 90 degree or DAB is 90 degree. That means that is the angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. So let me write here what is asked very clearly. We have to write. Therefore, the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are, already I have underlined, but let us write again. Of the cyclic quadrilateral are A 90 degree, B is angle B is 120 degree we got now, angle ABC 120 degree, again C 90 degree, and D is 60 degree. Okay. Now we have to find, show that BD is the diameter of the circle. Angle DAB is 90 degree, that is the angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. That implies BD is the diameter of the circle. BD is the diameter of the circle. That is what we have to prove and proved. Here this particular question, we had 2 bits. One to find the angles of the quadrilateral. Other one we have to prove that BD is the diameter of the circle. That is what we have done. Okay. Thank you.